Apple Incorporated faces an imminent ban on its smartwatches in the United States, but the tech giant is already orchestrating a strategic rescue mission for its lucrative $17 billion business. With just days remaining before a potential prohibition, Apple's engineering teams are working fervently on solutions, specifically targeting the blood oxygen measurement feature, contested by Masimo Corp for patent infringement. The race against time involves intricate modifications to the device's algorithms, fine-tuning how it calculates and displays oxygen saturation levels. This high-stakes engineering endeavor marks a unique challenge for Apple. While the company has encountered legal disputes leading to product restrictions in other countries before, the impending ban strikes at the heart of one of Apple's most significant revenue streams, set to take effect on Christmas Day. Unless the White House intervenes at the 11th hour, the International Trade Commission's ban will impact the sales of specific Apple Watch models, Series 9 and Ultra 2. Apple could potentially negotiate a settlement with Masimo, although this isn't the company's preferred route, and discussions between the two entities have not commenced. Presently, Apple's focus is directed towards modifying its technology and attempting to garner regulatory approval. In anticipation of the ban, Apple has proactively started adjusting its retail approach, refraining from showcasing the prohibited models in stores and online. Instead, the company will continue selling its lower-end Southeast watch. The impending restriction led to a marginal dip in Apple's stock, while Masimo's shares saw a rise. Apple's internal efforts lean towards implementing software alterations rather than a complex hardware overhaul to reintroduce the device into the market. However, the contested patents predominantly pertain to hardware components, posing a significant challenge. Although Apple plans to submit a workaround to the US Customs Agency, Masimo contends that a mere software fix falls short, insisting that hardware modifications are essential. The ban imposed by the ITC translates to an import restriction, obstructing Apple's ability to sell the device in the US given its reliance on overseas suppliers for components and assembly. According to industry experts, disputes escalating to import restrictions are infrequent, usually serving as leverage for settlement negotiations. Navigating this complex situation may prove challenging for Apple. While the company strives for software remedies, the breadth of Masimo's patents might necessitate hardware alterations. Even if Apple manages both hardware and software fixes, the process of bringing the updated technology to market involves meticulous testing and approval, potentially taking several months. The blood oxygen monitoring feature, introduced in the Apple Watch Series 6 in 2020, gained significance during the pandemic, aiding doctors in assessing patients' respiratory health. Users can monitor their oxygen levels continuously throughout the day, obtaining real-time readings within 15 seconds, crucial for health monitoring purposes. The ban specifically targets Apple's direct sales channels, sparing third-party retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, and Target. These retailers have affirmed their intent to continue offering the device despite the ban's implications. For Apple, the Watch series has been a pivotal growth driver, integrating health features to solidify its position within the Apple ecosystem. The potential outcome rests on whether the White House will grant Apple clemency. The US Trade Representative is thoroughly evaluating the dispute's facets, contemplating a decision with far-reaching implications, as witnessed in past interventions with tech giants like Samsung. Ultimately, the White House faces a delicate choice between two American companies, Apple and Masimo, situated in California. This situation underscores Apple's commitment to navigate challenges, balancing technological innovation with legal complexities in a bid to sustain its prominent position in the market. Tune in for more information and latest updates.